small block Ford, twin turbo builds, Bill Horne's car. He started off with nothing, no drivetrain, no engine, no anything, so we had a clean slate to build whatever he wanted. He asked us for a 1,000 horse engine platform, so we built him a 330 cubic inch 8.2 deck small block Ford. It did not make 1,000 horsepower, it made 997 horsepower. So customer gives me grief about that on a regular basis. Nonetheless, the car goes pretty well. It's got a C4 transmission in it, trans brake. The best pass it's made to date was a 920, which was pretty much in street trim, how he drives it on the street with 15 pounds of boost. And to make the 997 horse, it took 21 pounds of boost, so he has quite a bit more ET and speed left in it if he goes out to the track and gets it raced.